Good day, doctor. I'm SRITARAN Elamkovon. My matrix number is 2010613447. We'll be presenting about the kinematic analysis of 4-bar mechanism. Towards the introduction, it is necessary to assess a tentative mechanism design after it has been created. Finding the acceleration of each moving components in the assembly is one of the main objectives of kinematic analysis. In order to compute the stresses in the components and maintain them below visible levels, we need to know the dynamic forces. Graphically approach to determine the position, velocity and acceleration of the output links for all the 180 positions of interest also could be used. It's interesting to notice that while the algebraic method of position analysis is somewhat more difficult, the graphical position analysis of connection is truly simple activity. The study of graphical velocity and acceleration, however, become quite challenging and intricate. Additionally, the graphical vector diagram for each of the relevant leakage places must be recreated de novo, literally from scratch. The objective of this assignment is comprehend and apply the graphical approach and analytical method for the straightforward mechanism, like a 4-bar connection. Moreover, to contrast and comprehend the information gathered using the analysis and graphical method. The procedures of this assignment is: first, using a suitable dimension for measurements and straightforward 4-bar leakage mechanism, such as the oil pump jack, is selected for this assignment. Position, velocity and acceleration analysis using Autodesk Inverter was used to approach the graphical method. The third is A3D model was created in Autodesk Inverter using same visual method of observe and the path movement of the 4-bar mechanism. The graphical analysis technique result in the creation of kinematic equation. The fifth one is a straightforward MATLAB algorithm was created for the analytical technique using the kinematic equation. And the sixth one is when the independent variable 2 starts at 0, 20, 40, 60 and 80, the output data for both the graphical analysis methods were recorded. To compare the data, a graph was created and the data was recorded. This is the 4-bar structure of oil pump jack. This is the kinematic diagram of the oil pump jack. And the following slide will be on kinematic diagram in grounded position. Continued with the final one, which is the acceleration diagram. After that, using the MATLAB software, I have developed the coding to maintain the position analysis of AX and AY axis for the different independent parameters. It was given in the question where the independence parameters are 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. This is the coding I have developed using the MATLAB software. After developing the coding, we can obtain the results of the different independent parameters. As per the data collected, the result of AX and AY are obtained and compared for the graphical Autodesk Inverter and analytical method MATLAB. Both results are showing the same values of AX and AY. Thus, verify the data from graphical method approach. The value of AX decreases as the value of the θ2 increases over time while the value of AY increases. Last but not least, the two main categories of kinematic analysis methods are graphical and analytical. Each method has a variety of mechanism analysis methodologies, each of which is appreciated for a certain class of mechanism. Design engineers choose to concentrate the effort on an analytical approach as a result of the development of powerful computer programmers. However, the graphical approaches to mechanism analysis is still useful in some situations. When frequent and extensive study of mechanism is necessary, the analytical method is preferred since the analytical equation and solution may be easily coded on a computer. This method bases vector location, velocity, and acceleration equation on the notion that a vector loop has two distinct routes connecting its points. Computers are used to program and simplify the equations that are thus produced. The parameters are changed to produce desired result. Thank you.